Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Analytics Expert. In this channel, my motive is to provide you good training of MIS, data analytics, business analyst, BI developer, and data science. This I'm placing my VBA tutorial videos. Further, I will place lots of video related to Power BI, Tableau, MS Access development, Python, R, advanced Excel, SQL Server. Lots of video I will place. So you can subscribe my channel and let's see. Today, um, my topic is how we can filter out the data from this data set to L column, M column, N column on the basis of this condition. Okay, I need to filter more than 5,000 data. I need to filter in L column. More than 3,000 data. I need to filter in M column. More than 1,000 data. I need to filter in N column. So let's see the practical approach how we can write the macro. So Alt F11, then you will get code window. Here I'm writing sub filter data on multi column data set. So activating here sheet 5 where data is available. Sheet 5 dot select. Here I will declare multiple variables. Dim counter 1 comma counter 2. These two variable will be used in loop. Okay, as integer. Now here I'm declaring dim my val1 comma my val2 as integer. Dim uh, here I will declare three more variable to place my data here to create cell reference. Okay, so here I'm declaring r1 comma r2 comma r3 as integer. Okay, here writing for counter 1 equal to 1 2 20. Here I will pick first value in my val1. So I'm writing here my val1. No need to take my val2. Okay. My val1, my val1 equal to range, not range, cells. I, no, sorry, no need to use my val here. For counter 2, no need to use this variable. Counter 2 equal to 1 2 8. If cells I comma j value greater than 5,000, then I need to pick the value into L column. So how I will pick? Here I will write cells. What is the column number? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 number column is L column. So I will write here R1 comma 12 number column. I need to place the value on the basis of condition, more than 5,000 condition. And what value need to place? Need to place here cells I comma j value. No, not I comma j value. Here I need to put counter 1 comma counter 2, and here I need to use counter 1 counter 2, counter 1 counter 2. But make sure before the loop you have to store here second number row in R1 R2 R3. So R1 will be used in row, that's why I'm putting here R1 equal to 2, R2 equal to 2, R3 equal to 2. Okay, then after putting this cell reference, you need to increase the R1 value. R1 equal to R1 plus 1. Okay, now I have taken only one condition, so I'm end if here, and next counter to next counter 1. Okay, so let's see, running this code. You can see here my first value is not falling here, so you will skip here and if. Okay, skip on and if. Yeah, second value is also not more than, you can see here counter value 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 means b1. Okay, so b1 value is not more than 5,000, so it's skipped. C1 value, you can see here for row number 1 column number 3. Column number 3 is C1, row number 1 1 3 1 3 means C1. So C1 value is not more than 5,000, so it's skipped. Now you can see this is a row number, this is a column number. Column number 4 means D1. D1 value is more than 5,000, so it will, this value, D1 value is this one. So this value will place into 2 number row, 12 number column. 2 number row, 12 number column is L2. So you can see here, done. So just like this, it will filter. So I'm pressing F5, it will filter all the value more than 5,000 in this column. Now I have two more condition, more than 3,000, more than 1,000. So how we can apply this condition? You can see here, I'm just writing here. Okay, here I'm writing else if cells counter 1 comma counter 2 greater than 3,000, then you have to filter data into M column. So M column is 13 number column. So right here cells R2 comma 13 number column. Okay, equal to what value you need to place, where I'm checking the condition. In this cell reference, I'm checking the condition. So I'm writing here cells counter 1 comma counter 2. Okay, now you have to increase the R2 value. Why I'm increasing the R1 R2 value? Because my first value move it in this cell, second value I need to pick here, third value I need to pick here. That's why I'm increasing the R1 R2 value. Okay, so I need to write here R2 equal to R2 plus 1. Okay, now third condition, for third condition you can apply else. else means rest of the value. Rest of the value means less than equal to 3000 is less than less value. So here cells R3 comma 14 number column I need to place the data. Cells counter 1 comma counter 2. Okay, R3 equal to R3 plus 1. Yeah, this is the code. Now I'm running this code. You can see output. First I'm running, it's reading your data in like this. Okay, column wise data you are getting read. Okay, one by one row moving. Okay, first for loop is used in row, second for loop is used in column. Okay, so let's see. My first value is first cell reference is one number row, one number column. One number row, one number column means A1. Okay, A1 value is falling under more than 3000, less than 5000. Okay, so it will um, move into 13 number column. You can see here. Okay, second, second cell reference only column is increasing. You can see. Okay, two number column but row number is same. So two number column means B1. B means two, one means row. Okay, B1. Okay, so let's see. Done. Press F5 to get the result. You can see here. All the value more than 5000, 3000, 1000 is filtered. Now how we can validate our data, all the data is filtered or not? You can see here I have 160 data. 160 data need to filter. Let's see the count of filtered data. You can see here 160 data is filtered. So that's perfect. So that's it for this video. I'm trainer of data analytics, MIS, data mining, dashboarding, Power BI, Tableau, Advanced Excel, VBA, SQL Server, MS Access, MS Access VBA, R or Python. If you are looking good knowledge of these tools, you can come to me. You will get one-to-one training as per your convenient time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.